Di ba? 3 beses ako naging vicarial president nyo. And si Alma was always my secretary. Anyway, so dalawa ang I feel sorry for that. Okay. Next.
Reading and the approval of the minutes of the previous meeting.
Where's the minutes?
CWA regular meeting, OLPH meeting room, May 31, 2024, 3:39 p.m. Call to order, opening prayer, preceded by the opening prayer and singing pambansang awit. The meeting was called to order by the President, Nancy Concepcion. There were 2 CTK, 70 TOLP, 5 OLPH, and 4 SRP members who attended the last vicariate meeting. Liturgy of the hour. Lina T. led the Liturgy of the Hour, and CWM members were divided into 3 groups to answer the prayer. Reading of minutes of the previous meeting. Beth Maligat read the minutes of the previous meeting. The minute was moved for approval by Jean Salamat and seconded by Tess Bernales. Business arising from previous meeting. Review and finalize activities and outreach 2024. Loyalty Day on October 5, 2024 at Quezon City Sport Club. Attendance of CWL Loyalty Day event is mandatory for 5 officers. Each member payment is 4,000 pesos for the event, including expenses related to ceremonies, activities, and associated costs. Loyalty Award and Generation Award will be given to those who are qualified. Below are members' concern. Lina T. suggested the following concern about Loyalty Day. Interview Bebot Makapanpan to get ideas about the vicariate history because she was the first diocesan president from Christ the King Parish. Asking Alma Yi for help regarding the history of the vicariate or the unit and their significant rise. Lina T. read the supervisor's file. Tess Bernales attended an emergency meeting for Family Day, which will be held in August in Lantana. A family day from each of the village will be selected as beneficiaries of the vicariate. They will receive grocery and rice valued at 2,000 pesos funded by vicariate and diocese. Additionally, they will receive a CWL T-shirt, certificate, and CWL membership application for the mother. Fortune beneficiary is from the San Roque Parish. July 20, 2024, Saturday, Junior Green Planting Activities. Here's a summary. Call time 5 a.m. Meeting place Obispado de Cubao. Transportation bus, Harana Tours. Travel duration 2 hours drive. Destination, St. Arnold Jensen Oasis Sitio Unga, Barangay San Salvador, Baras, Rizal. Headed by Sister Alma Yi and Sister Lina T. Participants, 3 CTK seniors, Beatriz Maligat Concepcion Botero and Pep Sapio from CTK, and 11 CTK juniors and some juniors and seniors from different unit. The seedlings were from DENR, total of 100 seedlings, 3 seedlings per person. Seedlings of rambutan and goyabano. Contact from Saho, Father Joke Galolo SBD. Sister Alma Yi generously donated food at the CWL Juniors tree planting event, ensuring all attendees had a meal. Activity for CWL members, transportation provided by CTK Unit Fund. August 3, 2024, per Saturday devotion in the Nativity Chapel, Immaculate Conception Chapel, Lantana, Cubao. Priest Presider, Reverend Father Bong Tocino, Junior Green Planting Activities. President Report, Nancy Concepcion read the following activities 2024, March 2, 7:30 to 10 a.m. Participated in the first Saturday of Eucharist celebration and Lenten recollection of Obispado de Lantana. Mass Presider, Reverend Father Bong Tocino. March 28, Visita de Iglesia. CWL participated in the Visita de Iglesia at the 7 parishes including CTK, POLP, NOLP, OLMMP, and SRP. April 6, 7:30 to 10, Eucharistic celebration of Obispado de Lantana. Mass Presider, Reverend Father Bong Tocino, participated in the first Saturday of the Mass. April 22, Clean Up Drive at Mary's Wood. CWN Junior participated in a clean up drive at Mary's Wood led by Miss Lina, Nancy Concepcion, and Almayi. Transportation provided by Almayi and other unit member. May 4, 7:30 to 10 a.m. participated in the first Saturday of Eucharistic celebration at Obispado de Lantana. Mass Presider, Reverend Father Bong Tocino. Attending a diocese board meeting in Obispado de Lantana with Beth Maligat regarding Loyalty Day. CWL members attended Mass at OLPH for the wake of Sister Julie Galang at Arlington on Araneta Avenue. Treasurer Report balance as February 2024 is 9,593.70. Quarterly dues, CTK 400, POLP 400, NOLP 400, OLPH 400, Diamond Lady 3,800, total of 5,400 and 14,993. Less expenses. Mass card for Julia Galang 300. Stipend for Julia Galang 2,000. Cash hand 12,693.70. Business of the day. To coordinate with the new parish priest to help reactivate the CWL member at Nativity of Our Lord Parish. In line with our incoming loyalty celebration on the peak of October 2024, the CWL Board of Directors requests your assistance and support for the momentous event. The Vicariate Christmas party will be held at Christ the King Parish. Other matters. Tess Bernales sell gelatin for 120 pesos with 20 pesos going to the Vicariate Fund. A seminar with members on making report for President and Secretaries only for the members of Vicariate of OLPH care of Almayi. Adjournment closing prayer with no other matters for discussion. The meeting adjourned at 4:42 p.m. Snacks served by the all unit of Vicariate of OLPH. Thank you. End of my report.
Any objection?
Not objection. Any comment?
Any comment?
Yung ayon sa junior speed lang, I think yung snack, meron ako snack na din, but meron pa rin yung food na naka-charge doon sa local niya. Okay? Tapos yung ano lang, doon sa financial record, yung mass card is 300. Tapos yung stipend for the so, stipend for the mass presider. Yun yung susunod, mass presider. Hindi si Tita Julie
supposed to be,
So, the stipend for the
Stipend for the
priest.
priest.
Yes.
that
Ano ba to?
will be,
I don't know.
Actually, ginaya ko lang siya sa kay ano.
Tama. Stipend na rin.
Sino
ay,
ang
pare.
Stipend.
Si Father ano po? Yung hindi, si Father ano ng Transfiguration.
The priest coming from,
Transfiguration po. Si Father,
So do you want the name of the priest to be placed here or are you just going to place the priest?
Peace na lang.
priest na lang.
Kasi hindi na maalala ko sino yung peace. Tapos, tapos yung total debt collection. Kasi 300 yung master.
Oh.
2,000 yung master stipend. You look at your end. 2,000 dapat, hindi siya mag-
Napansin ko nga po nung binasa ko. Sorry po.
Okay. Tapos meron pa ako. Itong 7 bakit hindi kasama OLPH?
Saan po?
Again, saan nandoon?
Yung City Iglesia?
OLPH meron. Hindi ko ba nalagay?
Di ba nailagay?
Actually, President Kinapi ko kasi yung ginawa niyang President
Wala ba
report.
yun?
Kaya,
OLPH, kaya
kung ano lang yung nakalagay sa report niya, yun lang din ang inilagay ko sa report ko.
So anong kulang dito?
OLPH po.
So in other words, wala ka dito as secretary, correct?
Opo. Wala po ako dyan. Kasi ang President report, siya po ang gumawa. Kinapi ko lang po doon sa, ano po, yung binigay
But
niya
you
sa
didn't have any minutes.
nung time na ano po.
Kasi even if secretaries, nakita ko dito, ang galing-galing niyo pa naman, nagkaroon pa kayo ng training.
Wala pa.
Ay, wala pa po.
Wala pa po.
Wala pa po.
Ay, ano pa lang?
Ano pa lang po yan, other matters na po.
Okay.
This is just a proposal.
Propose.
Yes.
Dapat nakalagay, propose. Okay? Sasabihin ko pa naman ang galing-galing.
Wala pa.
At meron na kayong magkakaganito. So, if this will be the case, actually, hindi ba kayo nag-attend noong si Sister Alma din ang sponsored by the Diocese of Cubao?
Ako hindi ako
Secretary and President, hindi kayo nag-attend? Oo, hindi kayo nakapag-attend. Anyway, point of lang, ang sekretarya ay hindi nangungopia sa report ng Presidente. Kasi sometimes, since the President keeps on talking, baka may mamiss. So dapat ikaw, as secretary, talagang jot down everything. Only salient points. Now, hindi naman lahat tayo mabibilis magsulat, right? Hindi rin naman tayo magagaling mag-computer, di ba? So, ang ginagawa niyan ay may recorder ang ating cellphone. So, mag-record kayo dito, may voice recorder. So, pag may voice recorder, i-record nyo, then you can erase it naman para hindi kayo mapuno. Ang ano lang doon, pang-reference, just in case mayroong na-miss. Ano lang yun ha? So, meron pa ba? Wala na? Wala nang comments? Violent reaction? Wala na? Okay. Somebody must move for the approval of the minutes with corrections. Ay, huwag kang magturo. Bayaan mo sila na dyan. I move what? As corrected.
As corrected.
Any second demotion? Okay, Jean Salamat seconded. Si Jean Botero. So, ang next mong sasabihin, since the minute has already been approved, will not go to the business at hand.
Okay. Business arising from the previous meeting report. President
Lakasan mo naman. Hindi na.
President report.
Ito, hindi na narinig.
Reading and approval of minutes of the previous meeting, business arising from previous meeting reports. President reports.
Pwedeng korektahan. Di ko lang kasi, sorry, di ko lang kasi matake. Parang kahapon ganun din. I attended the Holy Family vicarial meeting as member, but I couldn't hold myself not to correct. Pagkatapos ng minutes at nabasa na-approve na, ang next na sasabihin ng President, may we go now to the business arising from the minutes. Wala nang previous kasi yun na yun, binasa niya eh. Okay. Meron ba kayo ditong napag-anohan na hindi pa nagagawa? I think one would be if the proposal na magkaroon ng training for the secretaries. O, yun ang business at hand. Lahat kayo ay nakatingin sa amin.
Yung business mo, yun.
Oo.
Pag-usapan natin.
Yan ang pag-usapan ninyo ngayon. Kasi yun
Kailan?
lang ang
Kailan?
nakikita ko na pinaka-salient point na comes from the previous minutes. Yung proposal o the mentioning of the training for the secretaries. But it should not only be secretaries. May I propose that
President.
everyone should attend. Ano po, bakit po kailangan? Hindi kasi alam kung sino ang mapipiling secretary sa sunod. Kasi ngayon, masyadong stricto sila doon sa you can only serve 2 terms. Stricto na yan ngayon. Previously, hindi ganun ka-stricto. Kaya nakalusot kami ni Alma. She has always been my secretary then. Kaya nakalusot kami doon. Kung naka 3 terms ako, hindi nga lang 3 terms si Alma eh. I know that, ikaw din ba ang secretary ng yung namatay? Hindi ikaw? Kay Lina.
Basta ako, kay Lina.
Oh, kasi si,
Tapos kay Lina.
Kay May, kay May, ikaw din.
Ako, katapos yung, kasi from nativity yun eh, yung namatay. And then, Sister Lulu.
Sister Lulu.
I don't know sino yung secretary niya. Basta alam ko, when Lina came in to fill up the void ng presidency, hindi naman siya na-elect kasi pinaupo siya doon sa kulang. Ikaw yung naging secretary. And then, when I was requested to come back, ikaw din ang ginawa ko secretary. Kasi I was so comfortable na wala na. Magtitinginan lang kami ni Alma, alam na namin kung ano yung sunod.
Even May, di ba? Ikaw din ang secretary ni May. Naging vicariate si May din.
Naging vicarial si May.
Si May, ikaw din.
Nakita kayo. So,
Kaya naging forever secretary siya.
Forever secretary si Alma.
So anyway, that is why I'm proposing that all of you to attend on that particular training. Hindi po keso tayo ay advancing in numbers based on the age, ay hindi na tayo pwede maging secretary. Kasi yung isa nga namin secretary ay she's already 84 years old. Kaya lang ang galing-galing kasi niya magsulat. At ayaw niyang bumawak ng ibang pwesto. Gusto niya secretary. O, ikaw na. Ikaw na. Diba? Oo. Gusto mo di ikaw na. Oo. At eto, long hand siya. Oo, at one sentence. But she's a doctor. Dapat na, tawag ko dyan, kuris-kuris lang. Yung small letters o short words, not steno. Kasi steno mayroong format. Ito walang formatting. Ako kasi pag magsulat word lang. So sometimes 2 to 3 words lang. Bahala na ako mag-fill up sa kulang na words. Ngayon, siya hindi. One whole sentence. Anyway, kasi tinitingnan ko yung naldo 1, 2, 3, 4 na nasa likod I like your position there. O, pwede ba yung maging secretary? Oo.
Sila.
Yung katabi ni, ni Jean, na ayaw ko nung tumingin sa akin. Ay, wala po yan. Kasi the more you keep on thinking of your illness, the more ka may sakit. Okay, so, I just hope na kayo mag-ano. So, please agree when you're going to do that para sasabihin ko yan, i-report ko sa board na magkakaroon kayo ng ganyan. Baka mamaya sabihin ni Madam President, bakit doon pa? Ilagay na kayo dito sa Diocese of Cubao. Let us borrow third floor again for all of di ba? Anyway, nandun na yun. Di ba, naka-PowerPoint na yun. O, magsasalita ka na lang. Once, yun. O, ganyan kami. That's how we love each other so much. Ha? Hindi ka na secretary, ba? It does not say na if you're not a secretary at ikaw yung may talent, ay hindi pwede na i-pull. Ganun yun eh. It is the talent that is the most important. It is not the position. Tingnan mo?